Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 19th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. I'm not a financial advisor. I just do this for fun and share it with you guys. So Tesla closed at 714.63, down 25 bucks, and down 3.4%. Post-market, we are down 86 cents, minus 0.12%. So let's look at what happened today. So we have a green candle with a larger wick at the bottom. So the stock went down like this and then was pushed back up, but not higher than the open, because the open is right at the top of the rectangle and the close is at the bottom of the rectangle for a red candle. So Tesla was gliding on this support here. We touched the support March 30th, also April 9th, and maybe April 12th. We could say that too. Then also touched on it last Friday, April 16th. And because one candle appears every day, it was just going to be a matter of time until a candle would cross this support here. So of course it would have been crossed today, unless the stock would have gone higher. So the probability were that the support was going to be crossed, and it was crossed. It was crossed. So this support is no longer in play. We have this support here at 709. That is a very important support that is still in play because we closed above it. But during the day, the support did not hold. So it did not. I have something on my cap. Sorry. So the support did not hold during the day. Let's go see at the hour chart to see what happened. So, okay, so this is our 709 support here. So look at this. So it opened today here. So Tesla opened at 720, then went down, boom, and then went up. And then nothing has been happening since 11:30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours where the stock basically was right on the support here. So 709 is really an important support because the stock is respecting it very much. And so the stock is on the support. Let's look at the indicators for the 1 hour chart. So indicators for the 1 hour chart, we have stochastic at 39, not super strong. We have the MACD that's bearish in the 1 hour chart since the 14th. And we even have the DMI bearish since today. So on the hourly chart, this does not look super good. And since we have this top here, we have another top here that happened last Friday. We can do something like this. So we can do maybe something like this. And so we can do something like this too. So maybe there's a channel that's happening right now. So maybe Tesla is in a downward channel, like we had. If you remember, we had one here. We had a smaller one here, and now it seems like we are having one here. So the support that we need to take a look at now is this one here on top. So maybe Tesla will do something like this. I don't know, but there's a support here, so maybe we are going to do something like this until April 26th, which is next Monday, until the earnings report come out, and then we see if Tesla made made a lot of profit or less profits. And if we go back to the daily chart, whoops, I should get out of this mode. So if we go back to the daily chart, then we have, as indicators, we have the stochastic at 65. So the stochastic is really coming down. So there's a lot less pressure on the accelerator. We had a lot of pressure on the accelerator here. You know, when we had this green candle, this huge candle, the accelerator was pushed super high at 99.60. Now stochastic is showing that the stock is losing steam. It's losing steam quite fast. MACD is still bullish. I still consider stochastic to be bullish over 50, and the DMI is still bullish. But short term, the stock is really holding by a thread over the 709 support. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. This week is going to be a rough week because people are expecting, people are waiting for the earnings call that is happening next Monday. So until then, people don't have much reasons to go into the stock. Like if we have a big news, then people start to go in the stock. But now people are going to wait. So I think this week is going to be tough. I think that this week we might have Tesla go down this week. I'm not sure. I don't know unless we break this resistance and the stock stays above 709. So those are the two most likely scenario. Either the stock continues on the 709 support, or the stock continues within this downward channel. So if you want to, you can take a look at Tesla with the hour chart. So this is a really interesting chart that I like to look at because it's giving you a lot of clarity as to what the stock is doing within the day, and it's not too weird like the 5-minute chart or a smaller time frame that gives you a lot of movements that don't mean much when you try to trade on the daily. But I find that the hourly chart is really interesting to understand a little bit what happened or what is happening within the daily chart for the past couple of days. So this is why I like to look at it at the hourly chart. So we are just going to have to look at this this week and see what happens. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, discording, and Patreoning. I'm going to wish you a great evening, and we are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.